हाय फ्रेंड्स, सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट शॉर्ट लेक्चर सीरीज में आज हम द आउटबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक्स के कंसेप्ट के बारे में समझेंगे। मैं आपका होस्ट प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार राउत आपको इस वीडियो में इस कंसेप्ट के बारे में समझाऊंगा। आइए पहले समझते हैं आउटबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक क्या होता है। आउटबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक्स रेफर टू द प्रोसेस involved in storing, transporting, delivering the finishing goods from the company to its customers. So outbound logistics basically enable from the company own warehouse to number of customer or number of destinations. So यहाँ पे क्या क्या प्रोसेस होता है, जैसे specially reference to outbound logistics, they can receive the order from the customers, then go for that known as order transmissions. Then order should be go for processing. Then they will go for selection of goods, choose the transportations, and finally should be reached to customers. So यही होता है outbound logistics का process. तो अगर इस इमेज को आप ध्यान से देखोगे, most of the cases there are four number of components are basically included in case of outbound logistics. First one is manufacturing warehouse, distribution centers, retail or warehouse, and the last one is customers. So manufacturers warehouse, they go for productions, storage and supplies. Then distribution center, gathering, especially refers to cross-docking activities. Then sorting the product and they'll ready for shippings. In case of retail warehouse, receive the product, store the product for the sales, and finally in case of customers, these are the end users who buy the product. So these are the basic activities which include in case of outbound logistics. समझेंगे what are the importance of outbound logistics. First one is increase customer satisfactions. Order fulfillment commitment is given to the customers, minimize the cost, inventory management, or you can simply pronounce as optimize the inventory levels. And the next one is optimal resource utilization is there, market responsive is there if you enable your outbound logistics. Company getting higher side of competitive edge. The next is brand image or brand reputation should be there, minimizing the revenues, and they are also enabled that is known as sustainability and environmental by the implementation of flexible and smooth operation of outbound logistics. So वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगे चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.